नाज़रीन, वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस पारां जनीवा में इंसानी हक़नि जे आलमी इदारे जे हेडक्वार्टर आॾो एहतजाजी मुज़ाहिरो कयो वियो। हिन एहतजाज जो मक़सद सिंध में इंसानी हक़नि जी लताड़, शागिर्दनि, उस्तादनि, सियासी ऐं क़ौमी कारकुननि खे जबरन खंभे गुम करणु, उन्हनि खे टार्चर सेलनि में तशद्दुद जो निशानो बनाइणु, सिंध जे वसीलनि जी लुटमार ऐं सिंधी हिंदू न्याणियुनि जो जबरन मज़हब मटाए मुसलमान करे शादियूं कराइण ख़िलाफ़ ही एहतजाज कयो वियो। इन मौक़े ते वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस यूरोप चैप्टर जे ऑर्गेनाइज़र डॉक्टर हिदायत भुट्टे कार्रवाई हलाई। नाज़रीन, हिन एहतजाज जी मुकमिल कार्रवाई अवां जी ख़िदमत में पेश करे रहिया आहियूं।
First of all, I'll ask our friend Razak Baloch from BHRC from USA. Razak Baloch.
1947, the British created a state which is called Pakistan. The 60% of Pakistan is gone with the Bangladesh. That shows that this idea is a failed idea. And they bring the dummy people and they rule, and then they loot and plunder of our wealth. The same money they're using to suppress Baloch, suppress Sindhis, suppress Pashtun. We don't accept that. The United Nations should not accept that. The thousands of people are disappeared in Balochistan. They kill and dump our young bodies. They're killing our intellectuals. They're killing our students. They're killing our business people. This must be stopped. Thank you very much for your gathering. Thank you very much, friends, to be here.
Now I'll request our Kashmiri friend Jamil Maqsood from UK PNP to say a few words. Jamil Maqsood.
Dear friends and human rights defenders, it is our moral responsibility to highlight what's happening with the intellectuals, students, civil society activists and political leaders in Sindh, in Balochistan, in Pakhtunkhwa, and as well as in Pakistani occupied Kashmir regions of so-called Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. We are here to highlight the plight and the miseries which our people have been facing since the creation of Pakistan in 1947. So we again reiterate that every time we will get together, we will express our solidarity with each other, we will support each other until we get our freedom, we get our nations, we get our states back from the oppression and suppression. Thank you very much.
I ask our Secretary General for concluding remarks. We have known that our human rights activist who has been with us every time, Basir Naveed, who has been denied the passport and documents from Pakistan government, we also demand to provide him the documents and passport to the Basir Naveed as well. That's it. And we demand also to free all the enforced disappearances people, including Sindhi people, Akib Chandio, Shabir Kalodo, Kashif Tragar, Ayub Kandado, Murtaza Junejo, Abdul Basid Kalodo, and every disappeared Baloch people, Sindhi people, Pakhtun people, and other Kashmiri people who has been disappeared by the Pakistani agencies must be released. Now I'll request World Siddhi Congress Secretary General Lakhu Luhano to give concluding remarks of this demonstration. Lakhu Luhano.
Why we have gathered here? Because in Pakistan, every voice of reason, every struggle for the rights, every movement, every person who wants to live in dignity and peace and with happiness on their motherland, that has been denied, that he has been kidnapped. But I tell you one thing, this state, it is drowning in the burden of the crimes that they have committed over 70 years. And these military minds, they want to snatch every hope from the people of Sindh, from the people of Balochistan, from the people of Pakhtunkhwa and Kashmir, and they should be stopped. It is the duty of the international community, because it is not only the oppressed nations in Pakistan, it is the whole region is in turmoil. The billions of people, the future and fate of billions of people is in stake. And as Peter said, the tyranny cannot prevail ever. It will not go long. It has seen its better days. Now you can see the state is crumbling. And as it is crumbling, it is becoming more aggressive. The human rights violations and abuses have become widespread. In Sindh yesterday, previously they used to take the political workers, now they are taking their children. That is happening in Balochistan as well. So they have gone to that level. So it means the state is crumbling. So let me put our unity together, our hopes together, our struggle together, and the day will come when we'll see all our nations free on this global map. And as once I finish my speech with the verse of Faiz, देखेंगे लाज़िम है कि हम भी देखेंगे लाज़िम है कि हम भी देखेंगे वो दिन के जिसका वादा है जब ताज गुराए जाएंगे और तख्त उछाले जाएंगे आज करेगी खल्क़े खुदा जो तू भी है और मैं भी वो करेंगे.
Now I'll request our Baloch friend Nabi Baksh Baloch from B&M. He has traveled from USA. Nabi Baksh Baloch come and say a few words.
The United Nations should ask Pakistan, because it's a member of UN, so it's their responsibility. They should ask Pakistan about the human rights violation in Balochistan. Since the occupation of Balochistan till now, thousands of people have been missing in Balochistan.
Now I'll request our human rights defender Peter Thachel, who has been a great supporter of our nations, oppressed nations, Baloch, Sindhis, Pakhtuns. Peter Thachel.
I'm very honoured to join you here today to support your struggle for democracy, human rights and national self-determination. Your struggle, which has gone on for decades, will win in the end, because no tyranny lasts forever. Every tyranny eventually has its fall. We know that Pakistan is a rogue, lawless state, a state that is a breeding ground for terrorism and religious fundamentalism. We know that Pakistan is a colonial state which subjugates people who've been denied the right to self-determination. Your struggle for the people of Sindh and for the Baloch, the Pashtun, the Kashmiris and others, your struggle is a just struggle. We want the West and the whole international community to acknowledge that and to press for that right in the United Nations, to ensure that all the peoples of Pakistan have a free, fair, democratic right to determine their own future. Pakistan, of course, says the people love Pakistan. They want to be part of Pakistan. They agree with Pakistan. Well, let's put that to a vote. Let's see what the people really think. If Pakistan believes that, let the people decide. Until then, we must stop all aid, trade and military work with the Pakistan government. That is a basic, fundamental human right that we demand, we defend, and we will keep fighting until we win. So I salute all of you who are making this stand here in Geneva today to keep up the fight, because in the end, you will win. Freedom has been long delayed, but it cannot and will not be denied. Thank you.
नाज़रीन, जेनीवा में इंसानी हक़नि जे हेडक्वार्टर आॾो वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस जे एहतजाज जी मुकम्मल कार्रवाई अवां जी ख़िदमत में पेश कई वई। रिपोर्ट इमदाद अली ओढो, वॉइस ऑफ सिंध टीवी, लंदन एट जेनीवा।